Hey, would you like to know how did I improve my English at home? In today's video, I am going to tell you how did I improve my English alone at home without investing even single rupees or paid or enroll any paid courses or classes. One thing that you need to understand, that is you have plenty of things to learn English. You have books at your home, and most importantly, you have your mobile phone in your hand. But you don't know how to use all these things. You don't need to go far away from your home. You can improve your English alone at home. I still remember when I started learning English, I did not have any guidance who could guide me. Despite having all these issues, I mastered this language. But how? Well, in today's video I am going to tell you how did I improve my English, and moreover I will tell you how you can improve your English yourself. So without further delay, let's get into the main video. First thing, start watching English content as much as possible. I still remember when I started learning English, I used to watch 10 to 20 video every single day. I used to watch movie in English, I used to listening podcast in English, I used to listen music in English. So you can do the same thing. But in my opinion, you should listen or watching anything according to your interest, whatever you have interest on. If I shall talk about myself, I used to watch Game of Thrones to improve my English. If you are fond of watching movie, then you must be aware of this movie. Even Raj Samani has improved his English by watching Game of Thrones.
वाओ गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स एंड सूट्स देख के मैंने इंग्लिश सीखी है.
So you can watch it, and the best part is you can find it easily on YouTube, free of cost, that you can watch. And not just watch, copy them. When I started learning English, I used to do one very powerful technique called shadowing practice. I used to play a clip of a native speaker and then started copy them. I used to copy their tone, word, body language, rhythm. So after doing this thing, I was shocked. It built my vocabulary, it trained my mouth to speak English, it trained my brain to think English. So this is a very powerful technique that every single person use in order to improve their spoken English. So you can do the same thing. And most importantly, you need to shadow those person who speak very clear and concise English. You don't need to shadow like Adele type of native speaker.
Like there was only a little curtain separating us while she was having her makeup done, and I started like going, I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can.
Because you will not able to understand her English, because she speak very fast and very unclear English. So don't do that. In my opinion, you should copy Priyanka Chopra. Play a clip of any clip of Priyanka Chopra. Record yourself. I still remember when I started learning English, I used to record myself on my phone on different topic. I did not afraid of making mistake, because I knew that if I will practice my English every day, one day I will speak English. I did not afraid of making mistake anytime. So start doing this thing from today. Don't afraid of making mistake. Making mistake means you are learning something new. You will make mistake one time, two time, three time, even 1,000 time. But in my opinion, you should learn from your mistake. Don't make same mistake again and again. So you can do the same thing. And another most important thing, if you want, you can upload your recorded video on social media handle, on your respective social media handle. You can upload it on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, on any other social media platform that you want to upload. So it will build your fluency, it will train your brain to think in English, it will train your mouth to speak English. So this is very powerful technique that every single person use. The biggest problem of an English learner, that is practice partner. When I started learning English, I had also this problem. To get rid of this problem, I started talking to myself on various topics. I used to describe my goal, future plan, and daily basis routine, skincare routine in English in my head, as if I am talking with two different people. With the help of this, you can practice your English, along with you can express your thought in English. It improved me a lot, and you can do the same thing, and it will definitely build your fluency. So guys, that's it for today. I am about to end this video. If you found this video helpful, then make sure hit the subscribe button, give it a like and share with your friend who want to improve their spoken English. I will see you in the next video. Bye people.